There is a guy who grew up without his dad in his life. He said his parents got divorced when he was like 11 or 12 years old, and they both said, I'm done parenting. And he was just left to his own devices. So he has now come up with a YouTube channel that's called Dad, How Do I? Because he never had his dad around that he could call him and ask those questions. How do I jumpstart a car? How do I fix the sink, unclog it? That kind of thing.
So is he giving the advice now on his YouTube?
Yeah, he said, I honestly did it not to make money. I was trying to help people around me that I knew were probably in that same situation. And now it's grown like he gets, I think it's hundreds of thousands of followers now.
Really?
That turn to him to find out how to do certain things.
That's great.
I totally get this guy because I remember my dad was awesome at fixing things around the house in the car. And I would call him, hey, Dad, my car's making this noise. What does that mean? Well, it could be, and he would run down the checklist, right? Well, he passed away 16, 17 years ago. And so sometimes I'm like, oh, I can just ask Dad, and I can't.
Well, you still say that 16 years later? Wow.
It's that fleeting little thought of, oh, I'll just call, and then I can't.
Oh, no. Okay.
So this is a guy that you can go on and say, and I don't need that now, honestly, because of Joey. He knows how to fix everything.
Let me
That's
ask my husband. Yeah.
Yes. But this guy is there. He teaches people how to tie a tie, jumpstart the car.
Good for him.
Isn't that cool?
I love that.
Yeah.
I wish I would have had that because I had no dad.
Yeah.
Amazing.
So if you had YouTube back then, this is a guy you would have turned to.
He would have been my dad.
Right?
He still can be my dad. I'm probably older than him, but I'll let him be my dad.
But you can still go to him. He's even showing how to hang pictures and that kind of thing.
See, look, my kids need this guy because I don't know how to do half the stuff that he's doing on YouTube.
Yeah.
Quite honestly, I'm horrible in the parenting area of trying to do that kind of. I can tell you how to push a button and how to play a song.
And how to
Call
talk
me
to people.
for that advice. I can give that to you all day. How to change your tire, forget it.
But what's one of those questions you would have asked this guy? Like growing up, some predicament that you found yourself in. Mm-hmm. What would you have asked?
No.
A million things.
Yeah.
How to talk
a million
to girls.
Things.
Maybe
you know what I am
that.
curious about is what have you asked your dad?
Yeah.
Recently.
Yeah.
What did he help you with? At 800-447-7234.